G.I.A. Automotive, welcome back to the channel. 2006 Nissan Quest. So real quick, if you're having issues with your child proof door being engaged while you're trying to open it, if you look through the opening that you see and you shine your light, you can kind of see that little switch right there. You put, the way I got it to switch up, when you have it up, you're able to open from the inside. So I used a Sawzall blade. You need something thin, strong, flexible to hit that switch to go up. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next one.